Are you looking for the best stick welders? In this video we will look at some of the best stick welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Amico ARC 160D. The Amico ARC 160D is an affordable low-price industrial-level welding machine that can work on any harsh and thick devices. It's effortless to use all of the electrodes and with a force adjustment function. This welder is multi-talented and flexible, which is designed to adopt 115 and 230 volt input. Amico works excellent in DC. There are only a few models like Amico which can match your budget as well as work like a pro. Amico ARC 160D provides a duty cycle of 60%, which means it is capable of supplying 6 minutes duty cycle. This is, by comparison, a giant figure and preferred by industrial-grade welders. It comes with a built-in cooling fan, which helps to work longer. Number 2. Lotus LTPDC2000D. The Lotus LTPDC2000D is reasonably priced, steadfast, highly competent for professional use, and remarkably rigid for minor but hard procedures. This is a made-in-all-purpose welder available that can be used in plasma cut, TIG, and stick weld all together. It combines 3 activities with a 200 a DC TIG welder, a 200 a stick welder, and a 50 a pilot plasma with a simple toss. It can bind numerous metals of about ½ an inch, undertaking the pilot arc plasma weld. Then again, the quality TIG guarantees smooth and efficient welding on stainless or steel or precise welding of shriller gauge materials. The pilot arc-shaped and torch-like equipment that flawlessly cuts through materials through course. This Lotus plasma cutter consists of a long-lasting, integral plasma blade that makes it comfortable to carry around. In addition to its features, the dual voltage with an automatic double-frequency high power makes it easier to maintain and operate it at a quicker rate. Number 3. Forney EZ-Weld 298. The Forney EZ-Weld 298 is both a stick and TIG welder. It is easy to use, has an incredibly easy to carry dimension. The applications consist of DIY maintenance and repair, which makes it perfect for beginners. It comes with a ground clamp electrode holder, but the TIG torch is sold separately. This welding machine runs off 120 volt input and produces 90 amps output, and the duty cycle is 80 amps, 30%. It is generator-friendly 120V, 4500 watts. This welder is powerfully designed to handle up to 1/8 electrode and welds 16 gauge up to 5/16. A built-in inverter power system permits the unit to grow more powerful, user-friendly, and feathery. Number 4. Dekopro 110/220V. The Dekopro 110/220V MMA welder is one of the most reasonably priced and easy-to-use welding machine. This one qualifies to achieve polished, perfect output in any sheets of steel welding techniques. It is quite similar to the MMA welding and can weld various metal stuff, aluminum, steel, etc. Then again, the leading control mood helps closed-loop feedback control. The yield is steady, convertible for the electricity network. The electric energy can be repeatedly amended to match up the welding current. It includes a digital voltage reader. Unique welding dynamic characteristics control the circuit. This unit can be run at 220 volt, with the adapter run at 110 volt. This welder is quite adaptive and versatile to use. However, we have observed that with the MMA welding, it does not work well on thin materials, and it's highly recommended to run just the 332 rods on 110 volt. Number 5. YESWELDER ARC 165 amp. The YESWELDER ARC Welder 165 amp has dense connections for your leads. This allows easy switching of the leads and runs electrodes and DC electrode positive or DC electrode negative. The arc force is also adjustable. This welder comes with a 300 amp stinger and a quality ground with a braided copper shunt connecting both sides of the clamp. It even lets you select your electrode size to get an extensive amperage range for the electrode used. The ARC 165 is also capable of running TIG with the proper equipment. You can easily weld with this machine off of 110 volt or 220 volt. The rated duty cycle for 110 volts at a 120 amp is 40%, and the duty cycle for 220 volts at 160 amp is also 40%. The lightweight and sturdiness of the elements make this stick welder a premium choice for personal and professional use.